Naming convention in Java. So basically, as a Java developer, we go through the concept of uh, naming convention. Okay, so basically, it is not compulsory, but it is a good practice as being a developer. So whenever you're giving a name for the class and interface, we actually give at the beginning letter we give an capital. So as a class name, we give an example like in code. So whenever you're giving a class an interface name, the beginning letter should be capital. Okay, so here is code is capital, and you have R capital, which is runnable. Okay, then we have method and variables. Okay, both are the same, and the way we have to have a naming convention for method and variable are the same. Okay, so we have a switch, and we have another word which is on. And whenever we are writing like a word for method and the variable, it should be the beginning letter should be in small letter. Okay, you have small letter h, small letter switch. And whenever you have to add another word with switch, like we are adding on, yeah, so we are writing capital after that. So this concept is called as a camel casing. Okay, so switch is small, and if you're adding after age, you want to add a person, so the p should be capital. So uh, this is the way you have to follow as naming convention as a being developer. Okay, and it is not compulsory, but it is a good practice. Okay, now we have a constant which is pi or final. Okay, so let's dive into the example. So in this example, like you have a class name which begins with a capital letter. Okay, you have naming, then you have convention, another word you're adding. Whenever you're adding another word, it should be capital. Okay, and this concept is called camel casing. Okay, then we have a method. Okay, we have public void, which is small letter. Okay, the beginning letter is small for the method and for the variable. See, you have a variable person which is small. After that, you're adding another word with person, so it is age. See, you're writing an capital letter. Okay, so this is way name convention for class. Also interface I didn't wrote, because even though if you're giving an interface, it should be like this, the same way as a class. I didn't give here example for the interface, but you have a method, and you have a variable, and we have constant value. So basically constant values is something that value does not change. So whenever we are giving like name for constant, we actually use all capital, like you have max. So that's it, guys, and this is an naming convention in Java.